Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I hereby dub thee Sir Toad.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Tito.
Pit stop.
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want.
Ready, Amber?
Yep. Thanks a lot, children. Let me tell you what to do if you ever run into bees. Listen up.
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons. McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Our next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Een jong stelletje reed over precies dit gedeelte van de snelweg. En toen zag het een
En route. Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater. What? He's not hitting! Come on! You gotta get me out there! Let's go! Get me back out there! Come on!
McQueen.
This is impossible! That's what I'm talking about! Ka-chow! What happened? Where are all the other...
I'm about to commit a moving violation!
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Yep. I even drank the super strength engine oil, so now I'm gonna be a real super bus.
It's a conspiracy, man. The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow! Who here?
Thanks, guys! Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I'd better do it in style.
Hey, Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That's crazy old.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will be...
nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Turn it off! Get these things off of me!
Oh, sí, ¿no fue un magnífico vuelo de ensayo?
Did you set him straight with your lawyerly powers of persuasion? Is he ready to start training?
Well...
Gotta pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be...
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
Be afraid of not having the chance. You have the chance. Doc didn't. And you can eat...
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is gonna be wicked.
Yeah.